students, this question asked in GATE 2008 in 2 marks. In how many marks? 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. A 1 Mbps satellite link connects 2 ground stations, right? The altitude of the satellite is what? This. So bandwidth is given how much? 1 Mbps. 1 Mbps. Okay. And distance is given how much? 36,400, right? And it is saying what? A 1 Mbps satellite link connects 2 ground stations. Means this is a satellite, this is a satellite, right? It connects 2 ground stations. First it is S1 and second it is S2. Okay. So when satellite sends a message, then it will take one propagation time from satellite to S1, then another propagation time from satellite to S2, then they will send back what? ACK. Okay. And the speed of the signal is given, B equal to also given what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. What should be the packet size? Let us consider packet size is what? Let us consider packet size is X, need to be calculate. Okay. For a channel utilization of 25%, mean this is given what? Efficiency. Efficiency of how much? 25%, right? How much? 25%. Okay. For a satellite link using a go back N means window size is also given what? 127, and using go back N sliding window protocol. Okay. Assume that the acknowledgement packets are negligible, means we do not need to consider this and this, negligible in size, and there are no errors during communication. Okay. So we need to calculate what? Packet size. Okay. So as I told you, what is the efficiency formula in go back N upon 1 plus 2a. Okay. N upon 1 plus 2a. And A equal to what? Propagation time upon transmission time. So total propagation time is how much in this question? First PT from satellite to S1 and second PT from satellite to S2. So total propagation time equal to what? Total propagation time equal to what? 2 PT, right? Means we need to multiply it with 2. Okay. PT plus PT, 2 PT. Okay. So how we are going to calculate PT? 2 into propagation time is what? Propagation time is what? Distance upon speed. Distance is given. This is in kilometer, right? In kilometer. So 36,504, and we need to convert it into meter. 10 to the power 3 upon speed is what? 3 into 10 to the power 8. 3 into 10 to the power 8. When you will calculate this, then you will get what? Propagation time. Get what? Propagation time. And how you can calculate transmission time? So transmission time equal to what? Packet size upon what? Bandwidth. Packet size is what? X. And bandwidth is what? 1 Mbps means 10 to the power 6. 1 into 10 to the power 6. Need to convert bits per second. Okay. So this is transmission time. So when we will put all this here, and efficiency is what? 25% means what? 0.25% equal to N upon 1 plus 2 into propagation time upon transmission time. When we will put all these values in this formula, then we are able to calculate what? Packet size X. So let's see the solution. Okay. This is overall. So what? 2 PT. Okay. Distance propagation delay equal to what? Distance upon speed. Okay. They multiplied here with 2 directly. Okay. So this is total propagation time. Okay. So here they considered what? Here you need to consider, as I told you, according to my solution, you need to consider what? Packet size equal to what? Packet size equal to what? X. Okay. So A equal to what? Propagation time upon transmission time. Propagation time this is into microsecond, means this is into 10 to the power. You need to consider here into microsecond, no problem. बाद में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे हम लोग. And divide by what? Divide by what? Transmission time, right? So put all the values here. 0.25% efficiency is this, and this here is what? N upon 1 plus 2a. So I am giving you some calculations. 127 is what? N upon 1 plus 2, and a is what? Propagation time upon transmission time. Propagation time is what? 2 into 243360 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon what? Transmission time is what? Packet size. Packet size is what? X upon bandwidth. Bandwidth is what? 1 Mbps, means 10 to the power 6. So this will go above, so it will convert like this. So they directly do that, but I am giving you. So it will convert like this, what? 127 upon 1 plus 2 into 243360, because this will go above. Okay, so this will cancel out, this will cancel out this 10 to the power minus 6 when it will go above. So remaining what will remain? This will remain only. Okay, and what? X. And what? X. So they take LCM. Okay, so when you will take LCM, so 127 LCM लोगे, ये X ऊपर पहुंच जाएगा upon here. X plus what? 2 into 243360. It will remain na. So they put directly. Okay, they put directly. Okay, this is remain na. 127x upon x plus 2 into 243360. Okay, fine. So when you will calculate all this, then you will get the value of x, and x is what? X is nothing what? Packet size. Packet size is what? X. So how many byte? 120 byte, because answer is in byte. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.